So I'm going to try a couple different things with the cat eyes. So for this one, this is the Golden Lion. Put a thin coat there and just use this pen tool. Okay, I'll give that a quick cure, just for a few seconds. I'll do Sapphire next. Just a nice thin coat. And we'll do the same thing with this one. And pop that in the light. That actually looks really neat. I love it. I really like this tool. I got it at Canada Nail Supplies. What other color do I want to do? That looks really cool. And what I'll do is I'll put the Supreme Shine on. That looks super cool. Okay, so I did find this black glitter. No idea where I got it. It's just a tiny one, probably. I think AliExpress or something. eBay. Who knows? So, actually, I think I want to use the gel polish. Because I think it'll go on nicer. Go. Color in those sections there. The gel polish. Okay, so I ran out of memory space on my disk, but what I did is I filled in the empty parts with the gel polish, and then I covered it in glitter. And I really kind of want a matte look. So I'm actually going to cover it. Maybe I don't. We'll see. Here, let's see here. Just want to clean it off. Actually, I kind of like it like that. I think I might leave it. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like that. Perfect. Let's take some pictures of these guys. They're so cute and super simple.